Hey, welcome back to another EdTech Throwdown video. In this video, I'm going to show you two Google extensions that might be able to help you have a discussion with a student that you think might be using AI and turning it in as their own work. So this is another video you'll want to check out. All right, so we are in working with a Google Doc. This is something that I used ChatGPT to help produce. This is not my own. The only thing that I actually typed out of this whole document was my name and the title. Then I basically read using speech to text this next paragraph. I copied and pasted this paragraph directly from ChatGPT. And then the last two, I used voice to text once again. All right, so I'm just showing you this because I want you to see when we go through these two different extensions, how they're going to look when you look at the data that they reproduce here. All right, let's take a look at Draftback. You could get this over at the Google Chrome store. It's free. It's pretty cool to see. This is just one way to get some information about what your students are doing on this doc. So if you look up here, Draftback has 173 revisions. If we go in there, we can play it. Now it's not perfect, but it does give you a little bit of a picture. So once again, I typed out the first two lines, voice to text the next paragraph, copy and pasted in, voice to text both, and then made some revisions. So let's take a look. All right, so there's my text. The line through means it's voice to text. It took me a while to figure that out, but that's what I'm coming up with. There's a big copy and paste, and then the next two paragraphs is voice to text. And I have this sped up, pretty fast. Once I'm done here, you're going to see me go back and make the edits to the punctuation. If you look at these right here, the punctuation after the period when you do voice to text is not great. All right, so there's that one. You can go ahead and hit stop, get out of that. Our next one is revision history. Revision history is kind of the same. It's kind of pick your poison. I like to do both at the same time. When you have revision history, it's going to give you some general statistics up here. There's 205 deletions. I have a large copy paste of a section of 44 words. I'm in one writing session for 4 minutes and 56 seconds. So I could get details here, and that's going to tell you everything that was done. All right, and then we can do show drafting process replay here. So we're going in here, and I'm going to go hit change the speed to 4x. Once again, that's me typing. This is voice to text or speech to text. That was a big copy and paste you saw there. More speech to text. And then once we get to the end, you'll see me go back and make all the edits that I needed to make. And that is revision history. All right, so they do similar things. Make sure that you're checking the privacy policies for both of these tools before you use them. Make sure that they align with your school's vision on how tools are supposed to be used. But Draftback, revision history, I think these two will help us start having quality conversations with kids that we believe that are using AI to turn in as their own work. All right, so go out and check out Draftback and revision history.